Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to make a lovely shabby chic wreath today. So what we're going to start off with, we've got the base, which is just wire. I just picked this up in a craft store in the UK when I was there, I think. And they're very inexpensive, and you can use all sorts of things. You can actually make this yourself, which I used to do. Just wrap bits of wire around, but you can pick those up in most craft stores. And then I've got the curtain material I've been making the flowers out of. We made these in a previous video, so I will pop the link below because I showed you how to do these. I didn't do it all in one video because it would be too long. And then we've got some ribbon. So what I did, I've cut these into lengths, and it depends on the width of this, how long you want them. So what I did, because I'm going to just go over both of them instead of just one, I'm going to go over both. And what I did, I just tied them in a knot like so, all the way around like this. So I did lots and lots and lots. So the easiest way I found to do it was just to pop it in between my knees so it stands up like that, and it's easier to hold it and tie them together than to lie it down and do it. So this is how you do it. You just tie them in a knot all the way around. So there we go. So then until you fill the whole thing up. I won't bore you with that because I've already done one here. So this is what it looks like when it's all full up, which just looks really, really lovely. Let me just pop these little bits out of the way so I can do that one later. So it's just not exactly the same either side, so it doesn't matter which way you put anything on it. So as long as it's all full up completely, so you don't see any of the wire. So I think that looks really, really nice, and then you can just sort of like scruff all the edges up. So the reason I did these first because they take a little bit of time to do all of it. So I've made 2 smaller ones and 3 larger ones. So I'm going to pop a larger one at the top, and then we've got the 2 smaller ones, and then the 2 larger ones. Fluff them up a bit like that. And then what I want to do, I want to make a bow to go in the middle so it hangs down. So what I've got is another length actually off the curtain that we had on made all the flowers and everything out of, which was like an old cotton curtain, very, very thin curtain that had been all the colour had faded and everything. So I gave it a good wash, and it's all come out. It's lovely and soft, so it gets all these bits of fibre, and it all makes it all nice and rusticy and shabby. So I took a couple of inches, 2-3 inches width, and I've got 2 pieces. So I'm going to put them together like this. Actually, this one is a little bit too thick. I might just cut this one into 2, I think. And then just use the one piece. So look how easy it is just to tear in half. And pop them together. Find sort of the middle. There we go. And then let me just pop that out the way a minute. So we've got 4 pieces. So then what I want to do, I want to make a bow. So let's see how much I've got like this. I don't want it too short. Just do that again. Okay. And there we go. Pull that down. So make sure we've got all 4 pieces either side, like that, and then pull it tight. There we go. Then we get these bits, we've got the 4, so we can pull them all out so they're all separate. And do the same on the other side. Just makes it a little bit more fuller. Oops. So it just goes all floppy. I might just pull it in just a tiny bit so it's not quite so big. There we go, I think that looks quite nice. Fiddle around and when we've popped it onto the wreath. Okay, so now we just need to cut these bottom pieces. Let's do this way first. I'll just cut them off at a bit of an angle. Okay. One. Ruffle them up. Lovely. So let's have a look, make sure that fits on there okay. So I think that looks quite nice. A little bit fatter there. Just stick that on. So that looks rather nice. Put those little bits in the way. Okay, perfect size. So let's do a little pink in the middle. So there's 2. What were the flower colours? I used, yes, I used both. So let's have both hanging from the middle. How long should it be? That way. Got to double it up so it's nice and full. That's it. Cut those pieces off. Oops. Okay. Tie it in a knot so it all stays together. Make sure it's even. Cut these pieces. Uncle up the ends. Okay, and then I've got a little flower here. It's like the little ones that I made. So I can pop that onto there like that. Let's have a look. Let's take one of these. And a larger one. Oh, that's too big. Cut a little circle out. piece, do we? Let's get another piece of this. Doesn't have to be accurate circles because we're just going to mess them up anyway. Just something so the flower's got a little bit more at the back of it. That's on the ribbon. That's better. So what I will do, I'll put this together first. So this curtain I had, it's done really well. I love the fabric of it. It's made lots of flowers. So I'll put this here. These two little bits on. And a little flower. There we go. So what did we put in the middle of these? Oh, a little crystal gem. Let's have a look. There we are. There we go. That looks really pretty. Okay, so now we can pop it all together. So put this there, put the glue gun out of the way. 1, 2, 3, there we go, there's the other one. So that's that one. It does take a little while to pop all these little bits on, but if you sit in front of the TV or put a YouTube channel on, watch somebody else make something, it doesn't take too long after all. Time will fly. So let's have a look. These are the little ones. It's a big one. That's the other little one. So we'll pop those. Put this one on the top. Pop a little glue on there. Like so. Make sure it's stuck tight. Smaller one this side. Oops. This one there. A little bit lower. There we go. This one just there. Once you've made all your bits, it's just a matter of putting them all together. then we just pop the little bow on. Put this out of the way. Put that on there like that. Bit of glue. Make sure that's straight. Squish it down. And there we go. It's a lovely little wreath already. So that's what's a nice quick project again. Once we've got all the bits together, once you've done the wreath, once you've actually popped these bits on and made the flowers, you can do them in different times, and then you can just pop it all together and it takes 5 minutes. So there we go. So I hope you enjoyed that, and if you did, if you do like what I make, please do subscribe to my channel. A big thumbs up would be lovely, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.